So let's first just bend your elbows, right? And just really concentrate on the breathing. So we're gonna do posterior lateral breathing, really spread my hands on an in-breath. I don't feel anything. Oh, there it goes. There it goes, beautiful. And then go ahead and do that again, but as you exhale, instead of flat here, sorry, my hand is cold, try to really round, right? So that you feel kind of like a waterfall coming off your low back. It's sore in here? Yeah.
Yeah, like the
Okay.
sacral iliac, and especially right where your palm is, your left palm.
Oh, that's your sacrum, yeah. Yeah, that's your sacrum for sure. Does that, can you feel the tighter you pull your belly in, the more stretch you're getting in your back? That's really what we're going for. Let me put a pillow under your head just so that you're not holding your head up in the air. Yeah, there you go. So what you're going for, and what I do a lot when I'm solo on my own, is I'll put, this is probably a little too big for you, but take a look for a moment. I'll take this round pillow, put it right up under the hips, and lift my ribs over the top so that I'm getting that traction right. Yeah, I have a smaller one. That's probably a little too big for you, but you'll get the idea so that you're really, yeah, can you feel that?
Yeah.
So that starts to open up the low back. Since you're solo a lot, right, you find these props that work instead of someone's hands that can help you. So you really, this is the QL, right, on either side. So we want to just breathe and do feel like your sitting bones are falling. So it's not even just that your sit bones touch your heels, which you're lucky they do, but you're trying to, you know, the fishing reel image that I use of rolling the hips under, right? So you can do a lot with your breath.
Yeah.
Just with that, just traction it out. Does that make sense?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so let's come up on all fours into the cat. But go back and do it organically. So in other words, you're gonna breathe in. As you exhale, start pressing your hips forward, drag your hands back under you so that organically you're on all fours. Right, exactly. But stay really tucked under, really zipped up in the low abs. And let's just rock forward and back in that shape. Right, so when you rock back, you should also feel that same stretch you felt over the pillow. So just oscillate a little bit. That's it. That's it. How does that feel?
Great.
Good. So that can help a lot. I do that even before I start wagging the tail and doing the sexy cat stuff. And then if someone's tight in their upper back, you're really pulled in nicely, but you can rock forward. So into, right, do you feel that?
Okay.
And rock forward and back. Just forward a few times, and then you can do the full thing from front to back to front to back. Right, so all the way back and all the way forward. Kushki, you want to join the party? My little cat.
I said hi to her.
Oh, she loves to be in the video. She has a sixth sense. Okay, how does that feel?